Hi everyone, Christine Serafini, Miranda Real Estate Group. Wanted to make you aware or remind you of a free home buyer workshop I'll be conducting Wednesday, January 23rd at Sunmark Federal Credit Union. Registration begins at 5:30 and the workshop will start at 6. Co-hosting this with Dave DeLuca of Sunmark as well as Sean Moody of Moody Blues Consulting. We're going to be answering questions, anything that you have about what the process is in buying a home, what closing costs you should expect, what our down payment assistance programs are available for you, what your credit score should be, or how to improve your credit score to be able to leverage yourself with that pre-approval. We'll have all the answers for you. All attendees will be entered to win a free iPad mini, as well as we're going to have food and refreshments, and also there'll be a book, that free giveaway book. Again, Sunmark Federal Credit Union, Wednesday, January 23rd. Hope you can join us. You can call me direct to register, 518-514-8830. Thanks.